Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone not charging issue on iPhone iOS 17 after update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution you have, make sure your iPhone is not too hot or cold. If your iPhone is too hot or too cold, you might get stuck with an iPhone that will not charge. An iPhone works well within an ambient temperature range of 32 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have been using your iPhone strange or skip inside a car on a bright sunny days, it might generate a lot of heat. When the iPhone overheats, iOS may use the charging until your iPhones get back to the normal temperature. This is done to mitigate any damage to battery or phone. In such cases, unplugging charging, turn off your iPhone, remove the case if installed, and let it cool down. Then second solution you have, force your install your iPhone. Wondering how this old school hack still comes handy? Just try to see swap most of the time. A hard reset or force reset can fix minor software issues and then improve overall performance. It will immediately lessen the load on your iPhone, wipe off any temperature catches files, and give fresh start to the system. So make sure to give it a try. Once your device restarted, try charging it on temporary for half an hour. Then third solution you have, stop using your iPhone while charging. Let's face it, many users have habit of your iPhone while charging. Some people cannot keep their phone down even for a few minutes, while some are reluctant to accept that it can actually cause any issue. If you are among these, my friend, you need to change this habit ASAP. We are explicitly saving this the because smartphones generate some heat while charging, which is very normal. However, when you can play resource instance, cam, or watch online videos while charging, your iPhone might overheat and throw charging related problems. In the long run, this bad of the battery health of your iPhone. Then fourth solution, disable optimize battery charging. So you have, if your iPhone stop charging 80%, it due to optimize battery charging features 10 with iOS 17. Your iPhone keep strict to daily usage charging habits and then automatically delay. So you have, open the setting, click on battery, click on battery service, click on optimize, turn on. Then you have, facing this issue, turn on, then you want. Then last solution you have, update iOS latest. Running an older version of your might cause several issue on your iPhone. So if your iPhone will not charge, your iPhone stops charging and random, you should check for iOS update. Open the setting again. You have, click on general, scroll up, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so you have must be installed on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.